needs help!
Every day gives us a chance to do something kind.
Papa, why is being kind so important? Can we go outside today?
Because kindness makes the world safer.
It's raining, but it feels nice. Oh no! Someone is stuck! Please. Help me.
Show me where.
We won't leave you here.
Stay strong. We're almost there.
You brought her just in time.
Mama, will she be okay?
We did everything we could. That's what matters.
She's gonna be fine.
Thank you for saving me.